It's time for another look at a chordstellation that, yes, I used that word again. Chordstellations are like constellations of chords that are all related. How are they related? Similar chord shape. Why is that important? It's easier to learn new chords based on the old chords because you're just adding maybe a finger here and there, or you're moving a chord shape to another set of strings. Super easy, you guys. So use this chordstellation idea in your own learning and your own teaching. Let's hear the chords. There's 4 chords in this particular chordstellation. They are the easy D7, G7, F sharp minor, and E7. So let's take a look in the overhead. Let's start off with the easy D7. That's 2 fingers. That's a 2-finger chord. It's kind of a cheater D7, but it's the second and third finger. Second finger is 4th string. Sorry, I'm trying to focus it. 4th string, 2nd fret. Third finger is 2nd string, 2nd fret. D minor. Sorry, D7. The easy D7. Now, let's just stay right here for a second and drop the index finger, the number 1 finger, on the 3rd string, 1st fret. F sharp minor. Now let's take this entire shape and move it down 1 string. So now I'm starting with my, well, let's go by finger. 1st finger, 2nd string, 1st fret, 2nd finger, 3rd string, 2nd fret, 3rd finger, 1st string, 2nd fret. That's a chord that we're all familiar with, G7. Now let's keep our 2nd and 3rd finger down. Take your 1st finger, move it up to the top string. So 1st finger, 4th string, 1st fret, and everything else stays the same. That's E7. All right, let's review. Starting with the easy D7. 2-finger chord. Drop your index. F sharp minor. Move it all down. G7. Index finger up to the top string. Number 4 string. E7. Okay. What do you think of that chordstellation? Pretty fun, huh? All right, so if you like this, like it. If you have any helpful tips or comments or any other chords you want to add to this particular chordstellation, or you have a name for this chordstellation. I just like saying chordstellation. Leave it in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, hit the bell so you get notifications before you click away. And thanks for dropping by the Ukulele Club. I'm Kalani. I'll see you soon.